do another one.
Thanks God we got everything else straight.
So they're having a fit.
Yeah.